Morning, everyone. It is Sunday in the good old state of Maine, and welcome to my channel. This is Subpar Planning. My name is Lynn, and I'm going to throw my planner right there so you can see it. I have another sneaker unboxing. These sneakers have been sitting in a box probably for about 6 months. And I bought them while I was in Seattle because I hadn't seen anything like this before in any of the stores, and I just loved them. Their 50th anniversary or whatever suede classic sneaker. And to be honest with you, I don't really know if I'm going to wear it. I mean, these aren't collector's items. I think you can, if you research this online, you'll probably be able to find them for as low as like $35. It's not like they're expensive sneakers or anything, but they're just really cool because they're a 50th anniversary edition. So I'm still kind of on the fence about whether or not I'm going to use these. But what I thought I would do today is I just unbox them and show them to you so you can see how pretty they are, because they're basically keeping in line with what I, with the types of shoes that I like, where the types of sneakers that I like. So anyways, I thought I'd just show this. This is the box that it came in. It's a little dinged up, unfortunately, but that's because I literally had to pack it. This is the shoe. It's a Suede Classic 50th Gold. It's a US size 6. Which is really funny because my other sneakers were 7.5, so there you go. And this is the box. Oh, for anyone who likes the ASMR videos. Oop, I just ripped it. Oop, I think I just ruined that. Anyways, whatever. Let's just get this flammable material out of the way. Okay, so this is pretty wrapped up. I mean, literally, I haven't unwrapped this. I haven't looked at these since the day I bought them. But wow, these are legit gold. As the year of, I guess the start of the company, which was 1968. And they are I believe they're coated or treated leather. These are like some legit gold, like for real dyed gold nylon laces. It says Puma 50th right there. And then, actually I think they must be synthetic. Well, it says they're made in Indonesia, so there's the inside tag. They're cute though. I love them. They're not actually suede. They say it says it's suede, but they're truly not suede. They're like a treated leather. At least I think they're leather. I don't know. They could be a synthetic. But legit, they've just literally been sitting in this box. And like I said, I don't know. I mean, I think this one's untied because this is the shoe I tried on. This is how it came from the manufacturer. And again, 2018 is the other side, which is when they were manufactured. And so it's kind of cool. So this is the top down. If you're wearing them and looking at them, this is a view from the left. This is view from the right. This is a view from the back. And then when you open and you see on the insides, you've got 2018 on the right foot. You've got 1968 on the left. So you actually don't see the dates on them. But I think they're super pretty, and I don't necessarily know if I'm actually going to wear them. I think these might just be something that I'm going to keep in my box as a collector. Because like I said, I like sneakers. I like planners. I like collecting certain things. And yeah. So that is the Puma Classic Suede 50th Gold Edition unboxing. Again, you can find these pretty much anywhere. I don't think these are hard to find. I think if you really typed in, if you Googled it and typed it in, I'm pretty sure you can find them for as cheap as $35 or $40. I haven't looked, but yeah, there's some high shine action in there. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, those are nice. So anyways, hope this video finds you well. I'm just going to throw in my planner because technically this is a technical planner channel. So that is my planner. So I'm going to throw that in there with my fancy charms. I've had messages from several people on YouTube and Instagram regarding my charm regarding my charms and how I've made them. I will be doing a video. It's just you got to find the right type of paper clip, and it's really kind of hard to find because you got to bend it. So I am on the hunt for the paper clips, and I will show you all how I did them in a video in the future. I haven't seen anybody make their charms like this yet. I think this, I haven't seen it yet. I don't know. I just was looking at a safety pin one day and I basically got the idea. So, yeah, I don't know if anybody else has made these. If anybody else has, let me know and, you know, put that information out there so that people can see the video. Because if somebody's already done it, I'm not going to put the time and effort into making this because this is really hard. So, yeah, those are my planner charms. So, anyways, hope everything finds you well. And as I always say, remember, you were loved, you were wanted, and you deserve to be here. No one else can say any different. All right? Hope everything finds you well. Take it easy, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Deuces. Bye.